how often should you change the batteries in your smoke alarm?
I think between 1 and 3 years.
Every 90 days.
How often should I change them, or how often do I change them?
How often should you change them?
I believe it's supposed to be every time you roll your clock back.
Do smoke alarms have an expiration date?
Absolutely.
Yep. Do you know when that is?
Every 2 years.
Does your smoke alarm have an expiration date?
Yes.
Yes. Do you know what
I think
it is?
mine's like every 10 years.
Yep. Perfect. High five on that. I'll do a lot of that. True or false? Smoke detectors should be installed right above the stove in case of a kitchen fire.
True. I can see issues if it's just right there.
False.
It is false. True or false? Smoke alarms have more than one beeping pattern.
False. True.
True.
That is true.
Okay.
Okay. I'm gonna play 3 sounds for you.
Here's your
Is that a smoke alarm? Correct. It's actually yak fighting in Tibet. And what about this one? No?
Is this somebody screaming?
No. That is a screaming sheep.
get into here.
What about this one?
Yep, that's a fire alarm.
That? Oh, is that a smoke alarm? Yeah.
Yes.
What about this one?
That one definitely is
Okay.
detector.
8. That is a smoke alarm.
Check it and all the kids are out.
Yeah.